my research with San Juan Bautista. During the mission days, some foods that were eaten included atole, a type of runny soup, and pozole, a type of stew. Corn tortillas were often a staple and were eaten with every meal. Today, I'll be showing you how to make corn tortillas out of 3 simple ingredients: masa harina, which is ground dried corn, water, and salt. So let's get started. Cups of masa harina into a mixing bowl. Add 1.5 cups of water, along with half a teaspoon of salt. Mix thoroughly until you form a soft dough. If the dough feels too dry, add a teaspoon of water at a time. This will make about 20 tortillas depending on the size. You will need to divide the dough into small pieces, each the size of a golf ball. Each piece and roll it in the palm of your hands and flatten it into a 3 to 5 inch diameter. Now let's get cooking. Place the tortilla on a heated griddle for about a minute on each side until heat bubbles form. Put the tortilla on a soft cloth and cover to keep moist and warm. Enjoy!